The author of the question says branches. I'm going to add in mine, branches and agencies have a tendency to fight to own a particular slice of joint efforts to prove their value. How can the DoD as a whole counter this to promote true collaborative dependency? And no organizational anthropologists are allowed to answer. Anyone want to take a stab at that one?
I'll start. I'll be the first to take it.
Yeah, all right, 1 minute.
Yeah, no problem. So if you're an NH4 in the government or a colonel or above, and you are parochial, you're out of touch. You have to be able to think at the enterprise level. And so for the folks behind you, right behind you, that are about to get to that level, I would tell you, when you get to that level, you stop making it about you and use credit as a currency and give it away as fast as you know how. We need to stop thinking in terms of unity of command, where our own organization is good and everybody else is evil. We need to think in terms of unity of effort. And so I'll stop there.